Hello everyone, I hope that you people are doing well in your economics one. See, from my end I am going to suggest you, these are very important questions. So where these questions are triggering in your paper 1 of your economics, where you are going to face your examination. Before you people are seeing about the economics one, just you have to aware about your paper pattern. So in which segment you have to write the answers, in which section the questions are going to obtain. See, first aspect of this is your paper was divided into 3 sections. First section was okay, you in section A. In section A, you have to write only 3 questions. In section B, you have to write 8 questions. In section C, you have to obtain for 15 questions. Here you are going to cover 100 marks. So if you are listening my words and if you are obeying my paper pattern and my important questions, inshallah ta'ala, you are going to secure 85 plus marks in your first year. So as of now, so this will be the paper pattern where this examiner will ask you the questions. So in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to focus on this question. So first segment of 10 marks questions are: describe the law of diminishing marginal utility and its limitation and its importance. If you were focusing on this question is going to trigger definitely, because each and every board has a fantasy, right? So Telangana State Board, so where it is taking the examination of the intermediate students, it will ask you this one: describe the law of marginal utility. So remember my words, this question is going to trigger. You need not to bother about any such a question, just you have to focus, describe the diminishing marginal utility, its merits and demerits, limitations and importance. If you are focusing this one, inshallah ta'ala, so this is coming for 10 marks where you can secure 9 marks. And one thing where I have to share you is, as you are drawing a graph like a lines, so in between of that line you are drawing something like this, which was intersecting both lines. So this line could be called as your equilibrium. So remember my words, whenever you are drawing this one, use the margins and draw it in a prior way. If you are drawing this in a prior way, this could be gives an implication to the examiner. This guy know very well. He is a best replicator, where he can award you 10 out of 9 marks. So remember my words, just focus on your first question. This question is going to be trigger. So next, critical examine the law of variables in proportions. So this one also going to be trigger, this one as well as fourth one. What are the various methods of calculating national income? Explain them. There will be 3 and you have to explain each and every one. So before you were writing the exam, so let me tell you one thing. See, imagine as this will be the answer sheet. Use the margins. First aspect of your writing is, first write intro part of your answer. For example, you were discussing about the methods of calculating national income. You have to elaborate something. Later that, so how many method does national income has? So you have to write just first, second and third. Then you have to explain this, because if you are writing these 3 above, this will be gives a significance to the examiner. He is know very well. He has a grip among the question. He can well replicator. So as of examination point of view, what I could suggest you, you have to write an intro part of every question. I mean every answer of your question, and then after the subject, what you are telling to the examiner, and at the end of the day, and intro part, subjective part, then after conclusion. So these three questions are going to be trigger. So in section A, you were writing only 3, where you are securing 30 marks. So, and in optional, I could suggest you 5th one. If you were willing to prepare this one, you can, or elsewhere, these 3 are more enough. What I would to suggest to you is that you practice this 4. If you were focusing this 4, this could gives you the great significance, and here you can score 29 marks. So if you were following these 4 questions, okay, inshallah ta'ala you are going to get 29 marks. So as of now, we were completed your 10 marks questions. Now we were moving forward towards your 5 marks questions. If you were focusing only 8 questions, where you can secure 35 to 38 marks. See, so there is a fantasy of the asking the questions in the economics is that these 12 questions are triggerable. So if you were focusing this 12, you can obtain easily 8. So I will circle out those 8 where the board has a fantasy of asking these questions. See, first aspect of your asking question is what is utility and its type. So just you have to focus on the utility and its types. Then characteristics of wants. So what does it mean by the want? So according to the economical point of view, what does it mean by the want? So you have to analyze it and you have to write the whatever the features. Features are nothing but your characteristics. Every person deserves some features, right? So in wants, what are the features? You have to elaborate there. So next of that, illustrate the reasons for the negative sloping demand curve. So just you have to focus this one, illustrate the reasons for sloping a demand curve, and then after explain the expectations to the law of demand. This will be triggerable. So as of now I have told you the 4, these 4 are the damn sure. So you have to well prepare this 4. So next of that, okay, what is a monopoly? Then you have to see, as you are focusing on here monopoly, then you have to focus whatever the characteristics are there, and what are the factors determine the national income. 6 were completed, above 6 are very triggerable, these were completed. As of now, then you are moving to what are the sources, what are the source of public revenue. Just you have to focus this one. And what is statistics? Explain relationship with the economics. So latter your statistics and its relationship with the economics. Then as of now you were completing 8 questions, then you have to focus rest of the 4 questions. If you were focusing rest of those 4 questions, these were also being triggered there. So my suggestion, what I would to suggest you is okay, median mode. Once have a look on these 2 concepts. If you were clearing your 2 concepts, okay, inshallah ta'ala, where you can write 10. If you were practicing for 10 questions, inshallah ta'ala you can write 7 to 8 questions, or minimum you can write only 6 questions. If you are writing 6, you can score 30 marks. As you people were appearing there and as you people were appearing here, so you can pass easily. So what I could, so as of now, in earlier we have discussed regarding section A. It means that okay, where you have covered your 10 marks questions. As of now, okay, we were moving towards your 5 marks question. So in 5 marks question, just you have to focus only 8. So examiner will ask you the questions, you have to write only 8. So if you were writing 8 answers, then you are going to score 40. In that 40, if you were writing 6 to 7, you can score easily 35 marks. So what will be the important here is, so first aspect of 5 marks important questions. So what is utility and its type? This question, there is a fantasy of asking the question. This question was repeating since 2018. So remember my words, okay, you have to obey this one, you have to practice. So your first priority, so wherever I am circling, just you have to focus those questions. After that, okay, whatever the rest of the questions you have, just focus it. just you have a broad view of that, you need not to go through with it, but my suggestion, just you focus only these 8. After that, if you have the time, you focus on the rest of the questions. As I have given you the 12, if you are focusing 8, these 12 are going to be trigger. These are very definite questions. So there is a fantasy of asking in all parts of the question paper. So my fantasy in part A, part B, part C, if the I will suggest you, you need not to focus on your pass marks. See, your pass is 35. If you are focusing on 35 marks, okay, it leads you to downfall. So what I could to suggest to you, okay, if you are writing this paper, just aim big. Aim big in the sense, just plan for 75 marks. If you are focusing on 75, you can score 65 marks. This is a good perspective of a good student. So remember my words, have a betterment, have a better luck in your 5 marks questions. So these were the very important segments of those questions. Just focus on it. So as of now, 2 parts were completed. Your 10 marks questions are being covered and your 5 marks questions were covered. So now you are moving towards your 2 marks questions. So in my earlier videos of civics paper 1, so in 2 marks question they were triggered 11 questions. So what is the demand of this paper is you have to obtain for the 15 questions. If you are obtaining 15 into 2, 30. If you were writing 11, easily you can score 22. So whatever the questions I am giving you here, okay, these questions will definite one in the sense that there is a high scope of the asking these questions. If you were focusing these 14, not only 14, rather than of these 14, I could suggest you more 8 to 10 questions. So as in 2 marks questions, where I will give you 24 or 22. If you were focusing this 24 or 22, inshallah you are going to write 15. If you were writing 15, okay, the examiner will award you 28 to 29 marks. So as of now, okay, these are very, very important questions. See, what I will suggest you, if you have a time, what you have to do, you first cover your 10 marks questions. After that you have to cover those 8 questions. After that you have to cover these 2 marks questions. If you are covering these all questions, you are going to secure 85 plus marks. This is a guarantee from my end. Just the vocal thing of you is just obey to your teachers, and whatever the books they were given to you, just focus on there. You need not to use ChatGPT, because the ChatGPT vocabulary is a kind different aspect of writing your examination. Because see, what it will affect you, okay, if a examiner having an evaluation with your paper, he is know his vocabulary and you are using a dramatic vocabulary where he unable to understand what you have written there. So in this scenario, what it will affect, okay, you are losing your marks. If you at the end of the day, what it will happen, if you are losing your marks, there is a downfall of you. So what I could to suggest you, so whatever the books were given from the intermediate board, just focus on there. If you are focusing on there, those books will help you to score 85 marks. So see, let me tell you one thing, in economics what it will happen, every question under the economic is not important. Now what is the necessity of that exam, what is the necessity of each and every question, that could be an important aspect of your economics. See, if you are keeping multiple books in front of you, if you were reading those books, this could be not called as your smart work, as you are working and hard work. So remember my words, every book under the economic is not important. So these are 14 questions. Rather than of that 14, I could suggest you more. Just you have a great look at here. So those 14 and rest of the questions were replicated here. See, as you were focusing these questions, if you were focusing these questions, 24 questions, just you have to write only 15. if you were writing near to the 13 or elsewhere 12, there is a scope of scoring best marks. If you are writing 12, then you can score near to 26-28 marks, because see, as you are giving your best in the paper is not matter. See how the paper is being appeared there, in terms of your handwriting, in terms of your answer writing skill, in terms of your completion of an answer. Either you are completing each and everything without any sense, you are not going to score good marks. As you are giving your best towards your paper and you are using shortcut tricks to write in a best answer, then it will be called as a smart work, where you can score 85 plus marks. So remember my words, just have a look of here. So if you were being focused with these questions, you are being with 85 marks. Remember my words, कि मैं इंशाल्लाह ताला will guide you and मैं इंशाल्लाह ताला will help you with a better marks. So I wish that all the very best for your economics 1. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.